Hey guys, so we had this class 12 board exam today. I have got the paper code 6512 with myself and we'll be solving those questions. So question 1, fairly simple. If you know substitution method, this can be solved right there. What you have to do is they are asking integration of 3ax over b square plus c square x square dx. Now whatever the answer is, like although it also looks like a log mod of b square plus c square x square, so something must have been substituted, and that is what comes to our mind as well. So what we are doing is we are saying let b square plus c square x square is equal to u, or whatever t you can call it. What happens, you'll be differentiating on both sides. So what do you get? You get uh, c square 2x dx is equal to du. Now you would want to uh, substitute in place of x dx, right? So what is x dx here? X dx is du over 2c square. Let's just quickly write the new question, which is 3a divided by whatever this was has become u. X dx has become du over 2c square. Du over 2c square. Now, as you can see, our answer is here. If you solve it, this becomes 3a over 2c square integration of du over u. Now any step that I'm writing is waste of time because the answer is already here. 3a over 2c square is your answer. So 3a over 2c square log mod u plus c, which is k here. So c is sorted. What becomes your answer? 3a over 2c square, which is what? Option D. So don't go about what has been ticked in this image. Just focus on what we have solved, and I'm sure you guys also must have solved it correctly.